At 32 Gdańska Street, we can see the Music University building. The university is named after Grażyna and Kiejstut Bacewicz, famous Polish musicians and educators. This building appears in the Oscar-nominated The Promised Land by Andrzej Wajda. The building has no less than 6 appearances in the film. The most prominent moment featuring the building is definitely the opulent sequence of a decadent ball thrown by the character named Kessler, played by Zbigniew Zapasiewicz. The sequence is almost the most decadent and raunchy in all of Polish cinema of 1970s. The decade, known mostly for the visually drab films of moral concern, has shown its more orgiastic side in this very sequence. In the sequence, Andrzej Wajda created a scene the decadence of which can match such famous directors of debauchery as Pier Paolo Pasolini or Luchino Visconti. It's difficult not to think of Visconti's film The Damned from 1969 as we watch the Kessler ball sequence. In it, live tigers are traversing the musical university garden. We also witness an explosion of color in fabulous cinematography by Witold Sobociński, as well as sweeping music, which makes Łódź look like a city taken out straight from the imagination of Federico Fellini. In the same building, 3 scenes in Buchholz's factory equipment room took place. In front of the building's iron cast fence, an amusing scene of Karol Borowiecki, played by Daniel Olbrychski, was filmed. In this scene, Karol helps his friend Maurice, played by Wojciech Przoniak, to disgorge his meal after a night of too heavy drinking. In the same scene, Karol passes on important business news to him. It's an interesting fact that some elements of the Promised Land decoration installed in the building for the sake of filming remained intact as long as 40 years after the film's making. It was only recently that some conservation work resulted in dismantling such elements as the Buchholz factory equipment room. The purpose was to restore the building to its original look. However, in the minds of many cinema-goers, the real building remains the one we can see in the lush frames of the Promised Land, which preserved one of Łódź's most wild nights forever on celluloid.